Okay, this is a super flattering angle. So I am going to attempt to take the pink out of my hair and make it orange or leave it the blonde that it is underneath. For this, you will need a couple of things. You will need to not wear a hoodie that's cute like this. Shout out to my boyfriend going nowhere in life. Then you'll need developer, bicarb soda or baking soda, whatever you call it. And then you can use dish soap, but I use apple cider vinegar shampoo. This one is by Wow Skin Science. Alright, so you mix it until, I'll just show you. So there's my mixture. That's way too thick, but I don't really care. Okay, so like my hair is covered, like it's already like lightning. That could be like from soap suds and I'm just like brain dead. But whatever. It's kind of watery, which it should be so it can get through your hair, especially like if you have like crazy thick hair like I'm, then you're going to want to make sure it like gets in all there, because like imagine washing this out and then there's like hot pink chunks like randomly and you're like, oh, cute. It's adorable. Yeah, it's like coming out right now. I've seen videos of people leaving it on for like an hour and I'm like, it's kind of excessive, but I mean, maybe it's like really crazy in there. I know that blue hair is like really hard to get out. I've had it once and I just like gave up and was like, never mind. Also, I look like a crackhead with blue hair. I don't know why. Okay, cool. I'm gonna set my timer for like, wait, why would I set a timer? I'm just gonna look at it. It's stupid. I don't know why I'm filming this. Okay, here we are, 8 minutes into this concoction on my head. People that put bleach on bright colors to get them out are nutty. You guys are weird. Like, there's no need. You don't have to do it. Dude, here we are, 15 minutes in. I've got a little bit of pink still, like right there, but you don't have shit right there, bitch. Chill the fuck out. I don't know. I don't know whether to use like nothing and just have blonde and let my roots grow out, or if I should put this Caracolor conditioner stuff, but I think I'm gonna wash it out in like 5 more minutes just to be safe, because it's like weird, like, I mean, it's barely there, you can barely tell, but I can tell. Shut the fuck up. And I'll go crazy over it and I'll talk about it, and I'll like sit there and talk to my boyfriend and my best friend about my hair for like hours and hours and hours like a crazy person. So I'd just rather leave it in and not think about it so I don't have to torture 2 innocent people, saving 2 innocent lives by just waiting a few more minutes. Okay, so I am gonna wash this out now. It has been 30 minutes. So my hair is really watery and drippy from the Olaplex that's in my hair right now. But the best friend census is in and she says, it's too yellow to keep it blonde right now. So I'm probably gonna do it copper, most likely. Oh shit. Okay, so a little backstory. If you're like, whoa, her hair is so fried. It's really not. It's not stretchy. I can like rip it. Nothing. When I brush my hair, nothing comes out. It's, I had black hair that was like down here. I decided that I wanted to get a perm. I wanted to look like Alana Glazer. And I'm really, really impulsive. So if someone doesn't like sit on me, I'll just go do it. Like I'll be like, oh, should I do this? And you're like, no, you shouldn't. And I'm already in like the salon chair doing it. My current hairdresser did not do this. I went to a random lady who didn't know what she was doing and also didn't take classes or something since like 1985. And then I had to have my BFF cut most of my hair off. And then that still wasn't enough. So from here down, my head is shaved. And yeah. Okay, so it's all equalized now. The porosity is equalized. Okay, so I ended up having to dry my hair all the way before I put the conditioner in because I like washed my hair out and it looked like Flamin' Hot Cheetos. You know when you can see like the yellow underneath, like when you get a bag of Hot Cheetos that's not like fully coated with the Cheeto dust? That's what my hair looked like. So we will see. Okay, so I let it sit in my hair for about 45 minutes. And here's the copper. It's a little like more natural looking, not natural, but you know what I mean, than I wanted it to be. I wanted it to be like orange, but what is, it's the way it is. It like will probably fade like super easy. So, and this is what I'm gonna have for right now because it's not like I'm leaving the house anyway and it's super depressing. Okay, this is my daddy.